right, day one, first full day, to the beginning of it, Barra De Tijuca, which is first beach south of Rio, Copacabana, then Ipanema, then one I've never heard of or can't pronounce, and then this one. Supposed to be the newest and safest. Feels super safe. Did a night walk last night because I got in late and I wasn't tired. Felt super safe. Hotel said it was a safe area. Beautiful beach run this morning. Just did 7. Gonna grab slow, but at least I ran, so that felt good. Gonna grab breakfast at the hotel right now, which is literally just right across the street from the beach. Hit the gym, sauna, and then hang glide. Gonna hang glide off of Pedra Bonita. So it should be a strong first day. And so far so good. It's not too hot, it's not too humid. It's a beautiful morning, a lot of palm trees. Beautiful beaches, Rio. All right, just finished a little gym workout. I'm gonna put gym in quotes. I don't know if I can really call that a gym, but had some dumbbells. I hammered a couple things, so that was good. Turned on the sauna, just kind of waiting for that to heat up. A little miscommunication with the guy because it wasn't really firing up the first time. Ooh, I just saw some nice tennis courts. Those look really nice. Here's the pool, rooftop pool. This is where the gym and sauna is too, but the guy from the hang gliding place called and said it's starting to get windier. They might shut it down, so he wants me to start a little earlier, which would actually work out great because the sauna's not working anyway. I've got some free time, but hopefully it's working because still don't have the reason why I put the hotel, but it was nice. And if you just do a Google search of like sauna near me, the only thing that pops up are these like gay saunas, which I guess are huge out here, which is not what I'm trying to get into. So hopefully this sauna works. I might look around for another gym, but yeah, nice little view up here of Barra De Tijuca. Sunset Rio, day 1. Got a couple cycles in the sauna, which takes a while to heat up. It's actually a steam room, but got a little sweat going, which was good. Did the hang gliding, awesome experience for sure. Definitely got a little seasick or air sick, I guess. Didn't throw up or anything, but definitely got a little headache about halfway through. Takeoff was awesome, landing was awesome, first 5 minutes was awesome. But maybe like the latter half, you know, just definitely motion sickness for sure. Landed and just got some ginger chews and sucking on those. Starting to feel better for sure. Sauna naturally helped as well. About to hammer out some hikes tomorrow, looking forward to that. Hopefully it won't be too hard to edit those hang gliding videos. But yeah, definitely a solid day 1.